Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are solving partitioning into minimum number of Deci-Binary numbers. So a decimal number is called Deci-Binary if each of the digits is either a 0 or 1 without any leading zeros. So 101 and 1100 are Deci-Binary. Well, these numbers are not because this has a 2 and this has a 3. So we will be given a string n that is a positive decimal integer, and we want to return the minimum number of Deci-Binary numbers needed so that they sum up to n. So if we look at this example, for 32, we will need 10 plus 11 plus 11 to make 32. So we return 3. And for this example, we will return 8. And for this example, we will return 9. Now, I'll go over how we know this is 8 and how this is 9 in the explanation. But for now, just know that this is 8 and this is 9. So now that we have seen some examples, let's get to how we can solve this problem. So for this problem, we can just return whichever is the largest digit. Because if you think about it, let's look at this example. If we look at 8, since we can only have ones and zeros, we know that 8 will need 8 ones added up. So we will need 8 numbers to get the result. And as you can see, if you add these 8 numbers up, it will equal to this, which is a number that we're looking for. So we can just return the max digit in the string. So the time complexity would be O of n, where n is the size of the string because it will take n time to find out what the max digits are since we need to check each digit. And the space complexity would be O of 1 because we are not using any extra space. So now let's get to the coding part. So the coding is very simple. We just need to return int of max of n, see if it works. Okay, perfect. Hope this was helpful. Thank you all for watching. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I hope to see you all again soon.